Please don't treat us like boys. Don't treat us like boys. We have agreed with the district administration. We will be here. You need not to tell us. Please, you know. We are here to escort you, sir. Please kindly, sir, you allow us here. And inventory okay, please, sir. We know that. We have allowed you here, sir. I think that if you go to the spirit of section 144, you will understand clearly that this has been imposed
sir, we allowed you to hear, sir.
Okay, this has been invoked just to prevent that. That is too much. Okay, can one pie there?
No, we are escorting you, sir. An idiom is escorting you, sir.
Okay, but I want my people will escort me.
Sir,
please, at least
sir.
give them 10 to 15 of them only. 10 to 15 of them.
Kindly, sir.
Okay, please, sir.
We request you, sir. Please, sir.
That is
allowed them here, sir.
That is not too big
sir.
request.
Please, sir. We
you
have
understand, sir? That is not too big.
Please, sir. We have done the needful for Pahara, sir. Humbly request you, sir. Humbly appealing to your leadership, sir. Kindly, sir. We request you, sir. Please, sir. Your supporters are already here, sir.
I think I'm going to be next.
Madam is ready, sir.
Okay. Yes, I can. I can